Right, so hey guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you on how to limit your CPU usage for any program. So let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your task bar here and click on Task Manager. You can also open Task Manager by holding Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard. And then once Task Manager opens here, you can see in the processes first, you can see which process is using the CPU more. And once you find out the process, you're going to go into details and search for the process name. I'm going to use Microsoft Edge as an example. Right click on it and set priority to below normal. Below normal and low is the standard to limit your CPU usage, and you can basically use anything from high to low. Okay, real time is not recommended at all. Okay, and you can also limit your CPU usage by clicking on Set Affinity. So what this does is it limits your CPU core. So you can limit your CPU core that you want the process to only use 2 cores. So you can just add 2 cores and click OK. So that way you can reduce the CPU usage immensely of that specific process. So it's a pretty straightforward process, guys, and yeah, do support the channel by giving this video a like and sharing and subscribing. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.